Wondering whether the Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro actually support the LDAC audio codec for better sound quality? Don't worry. Here's the truth about LDAC support and the high-quality audio setting you should use instead. First, here's the important part. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro do not support LDAC. So, if you've been searching for that toggle, you're not missing anything. Instead, Samsung uses its own high-quality audio system. So, if you want better sound, here's what to do. Open Settings or the Galaxy Wearable app. Now go to Sound Quality and Effects. Then tap Advanced Quality Options. From here, turn on Ultra High Quality Audio. That's the setting you want. Once enabled, your buds can deliver the best audio quality they support. So, even though there's no LDAC, this is still the option to use if you want the best listening experience. Thanks for watching.